Y'all hear me? Is this even public? I don't even know. Yeah, this is public. This should be good. This should be good to go. I don't know why y'all cannot hear me. Second, let me do this. I think that's better if I do it like that. And then let me go to the other one. Go to the other one real quick. Change. All right, the only thing I need to know now if y'all can hear me, because I have no idea who could hear me and who can't. Please use keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. I don't know what the hell that's supposed to mean. Let me see something. Nah, it should be good. It should be good. All right, what's up, guys? What is up, fam? All right, just a quick. This is gonna be yeah, not a quick stream, but it's gonna be a stream, obviously, right? We're gonna be streaming. I mean, I'm streaming vertically, horizontally right now for the first time. Let me just open Discord right here real quick. I'm opening Discord, 1 second. Make sure you guys like the stream. I don't give a fuck if you guys subscribe or don't subscribe. Just make sure you guys like the stream. I mean, yeah, whether you guys subscribe or not, I really give a shit. Just make sure you guys like the stream. There's a few things happening right now. First of all, on my Discord, for those of you guys who don't know, I dropped this dash trade right here. We're currently up 20% right now. It was up 46% a few minutes ago. Number two, we do have this event happening right now, BTC Trade and Earn. So you could actually get a $10,000 bonus if you guys are interested in that. It's actually not a bonus, it's hard withdrawable cash. So yeah, I mean, that's that. I mean, no exchanges is gonna offer you $10,000 just to trade under them, in my opinion. I just don't think it's possible. Having a look right here at Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything, we're seeing a lot of pump and dumps right now happening in the market. I think the market is a little bit confused on what's going on exactly. Personally, I'm short. You guys can see our positions are pretty much short right now. We're up 4,000. This is 6,000, $7,000. We're up around $10,000 on this trade right here. I mean, this is our current P&L. You know, not with the fees. So it's looking for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it's looking pretty decent. Our cross copy trading right here up 20x, not 20x, 20x leverage. This is a $689,000 position. We have Ethereum on 30x, which is not the copy trading, it's the regular account. Currently sitting at $519,000. That is the position. And then we got Dash, $206,000. Ethereum just started a new 4-hour candle. Oil seems like it's going up. It seems like there's a lot of manipulation around oil. Let's have a look right here at X real quick, just to give you guys an understanding of what's going on. Let me open this real quick. All right, it looks like there's not so many viewers today. The market is it looks like the market is not really interested, but let's have a look at Walter Bloomberg. Let's just go back and just read what he's been saying. Fire breaks out in a shopping center in Iran. For fire, okay, that's not really so important. S&P down 0.39%, Nasdaq down 0.33%. 3 Indian citizens mortally injured in Iranian drone. Okay, so this is a pretty big developing story right here. UAE says their air defense are currently responding to another missile threat. This happened a few minutes ago, about 9 minutes ago as well, hence why we are seeing the market reacting right now. Ethereum is currently down. I mean, from the top right here, a lot of manipulation has been going on, guys. A lot. I mean, we're seeing pumps and dumps pretty much happening all over the place. It looks like as the war is coming to near, it looks like the pumps and dumps are pretty much getting more and more aggressive. I think that Ethereum will end up taking this liquidity personally, not financial advice. If we have a look right here at BTC, yeah, just a lot of pumps and dumps happening right here on Bitcoin. Things are looking pretty ugly and pretty shaky on the daily time frame. I do believe that Bitcoin is going to come back down. I think that sub 60 is in the books, $65,000. I do think we're going to grab this liquidity right here. I mean, we're seeing elevator down, stairs up. This is not the type of situation we want to see on BTC. If this was a quick V recovery shape like we saw during COVID or any bad horrible events that we've seen, that would have been pretty good, but we're not really seeing that. We're not really seeing any V recovery shape on BTC. I think we're gonna just come down. We're just gonna keep on falling down. I mean, there's no question about that. This is our current account at the moment. On Dash, like I said, if you guys are in my Discord on the scalp signal, which is absolutely free, scalp shorting Dash right here. I did mention that I would be shorting Dash, and then we are up 26%, 27% in counting. Nothing too crazy, but we are up and we are cooking on this account right here. Ethereum up 13% on 30x, and then Ethereum on copy trading up 9.6%. So we're up pretty good. So these two positions are up at $9,000 approximately. It looks like we are cooking. And then the copy trading account is up 10%. Let's have a look right here at Ethereum, because this is our main trade right now at the moment. Let's just zoom in. If you guys have not liked, I don't give a fuck if you guys subscribe, just make sure you guys like the stream. I see we have a bunch of people watching, not a bunch of people liking. That's a little frustrating. If you guys are watching but not liking, why do you guys do that? Actually, let me drop this on the Discord. So I see I haven't dropped it on the Discord. Let me just drop this real quick on the Discord. Let me drop this. All right, let's go back. If the music is too loud, just let me know. I mean, I don't even know who's typing and who's not. I see you guys aren't really saying anything. Just make sure you guys like the video. I don't care what you guys do. I don't care if you guys don't subscribe, just make sure you guys like the video. Let's have a look. I see a few people. If you guys want to join the Discord, I do need to manually verify you guys. So I see you guys are trying to join. I'm gonna go ahead and manually verify you guys, but other than that, it's very hard to join the Discord because the freaking bot for some reason is not working. The verification tool is not working, so I will need to verify everyone manually. I think I'm assuming this guy's a scam. I'm gonna put him in quarantine. All the thing with FX is usually bullshit, but this is our current trades right now at the moment. I did take a long on I did take a short on Dash and Ethereum. These are my two positions. Let me just tag everyone right here. Oh, you know what, where did I drop this on? 8x. Yeah, it's this one. That's fine. Ethereum has been really tight on these EMA ribbons. I'm not gonna lie. We're most likely grabbing this liquidity on Ethereum right here. We're probably gonna grab this liquidity on Ethereum right here. Make sure you guys like this stream. I don't care if you guys don't subscribe. By the way, there's two streams. There's a vertical stream and a horizontal stream. So you guys could feel free to pick whichever one you guys want. If you guys want a horizontal screen, you guys can essentially use it. I'm gonna drop the horizontal screen on the Discord. It's bigger, it's better if you guys are interested. So there's actually two type of streams. Yeah, there's two type of streams. There's a horizontal one and a vertical one. So pick whichever one you want. Yeah, the chop has been disgusting. Look at that. I mean, just on the 1 hour time frame, the chop has been absolutely nasty. On the 15 minutes, the chop has been nasty. Oil is up. Oil doesn't lie. Oil does not lie. I think oil is going to keep on climbing, in my opinion. These EMA ribbons has been respecting oil pretty well. I mean, you guys can see when we are below these EMA ribbons right here, we're bearish. When we're above it, we're bullish. We still have not closed below it. Look at that. Above it, bullish. Below it, bearish. Above it, bullish. Above it, bullish right here. We were bearish for a little bit. You probably could have taken the scalp trade right here. Look at that. When we're above it, we're super bullish on oil. So I don't see oil coming down anytime soon. I know a lot of people on X. Who said on X that oil was gonna go to $60? All right, new round of incoming missile threats from the UAE. That's obviously not good. Yo, Dose, you haven't been active. You in a short, I assume? Yeah, I am in assume. I haven't been active. I was in Costa Rica for a little bit. Am in Costa Rica. I was in Tamarindo. Actually, it's north of Costa. I'm back in the city of Costa Rica. But yeah, make sure you guys like this live if you guys haven't. Yeah, make sure you guys like this live. I did drop two type of streams. There's a vertical one and horizontal one. But yeah, I have not been active. I am currently on a short right now. These are my short positions. I'm short on Ethereum. I'm short on Dash right now at the moment. I was actually supposed to scalp this Dash short. I will be essentially taking profit at $44. That is my TP, I believe, on Dash. That is where the 50% retracement is. But it's looking okay. Oil is freaking flying right now, though. I have to say, oil is absolutely flying. Holy shit. Oil is up 3.36%. Let's go back to Twitter real quick. New round of incoming missile threat. That was 18 minutes ago. In Iran, the evacuation of government has begun. So it looks like the war is starting again. 520, what is that, trillion or billion? Erased from the US stock market in 60 minutes. I'm assuming that's billion. Yeah, 100, 100,000, 100 million. Yeah, billion. Just in US 405, the highest. No, that's not so crazy important right here. The taco trade is over. It's not it's now the nacho trade, not a chance Hormuz opens. Okay, very interesting. All right, breaking. Iranian ballistic missile launched from southern Iran puts in the UAE range. So it looks like maybe Iran is restocking on missiles. And I don't know if you guys are in my Discord. I told you guys that I told you guys right here that what did I say? What did I say right here? This was the exit liquidity pump. So whatever pump we saw right here on BTC, right? We saw a massive pump right here. Well, not a massive, but it was 2%. That's pretty good. That's pretty big for Bitcoin. I told you guys that this was going to be an exit liquidity pump. Iran war is starting again. UAE on the missile strike and asking for help. Israel has seen over 20 F-35s and C-130 going towards Iran. Strikes are probably going to happen this week. And of course, Israel has been restocking on interceptors. We know what that means. When Israel restocks on interceptors, it means that they're most likely expecting Iran to essentially strike preemptively Israel, or that Israel will strike Iran very soon. It's gonna happen within the next week, in my opinion. Hence why we are seeing everything pretty much going up. Gold is absolutely nuking right now. Gold is absolutely getting destroyed. If we have a look right here at gold on the daily time frame, it's absolutely getting destroyed. We're most likely going to see gold at sub $4,000 very, very soon if the war does resume. If you guys have not liked this stream, if you guys have not liked this live, make sure you guys like it. I don't give a shit if you guys don't subscribe. You guys don't need to subscribe. Just make sure you guys like it. And pretty much that's about it. By the way, guys, if you want to join my Discord, I will need to verify you guys manually. So let me just refresh this. Let me see if there's any new people who are... No, there's no one else who pretty much came in. If I have a look right here, there's also a on BYDFi. For those of you guys who don't know, there is a $10,000 hard giveaway. So depending on how much money you trade, you could get up to $10,000. Obviously, this is hard withdrawable cash. It's not a bonus, so that's pretty cool. I don't think any exchanges are doing hard cash like that. Get $10,000 to trade is pretty fantastic in my opinion. Yeah, so these are the current trades that we're in right now. Nothing too crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's nothing too crazy. We've been in better trades before, we've been in better situations, but these are the current trades that we're currently in at the moment. By the way, guys, let me know if I'm lagging. Let me know if the volume is too high, if the music is too high, let me know. I don't really know what's going on. Let me just see this real quick.
I feel the flame. Pull me closer, call my name. Talk is nothing, show me truth. Body speaks, let's live and prove. Can you take me where I've never been? Turn my silence into deeper stare. Don't just promise, let it pour. Give me ways I'm asking for more.
No sense too long in my opinion. It doesn't make much sense too long. I mean, the UAE is under constant missile threat. I don't see how longing is the way to go. 2 passenger flights heading to Dubai International Airport has been redirected. A direct hit by Iranian drone on oil industry in the UAE. So we've seen direct hits on the UAE already, but let me see this notifications real quick by Walter Bloomberg 51 seconds ago. Traders add to bet on Fed interest rate hike by March. Wow. They're saying there's going to be federal interest rate hike by March 2027. There's going to be a hike. I mean, yes, if the work keeps on going on, there's definitely going to be a hike. US stocks extend fall. Dow Jones down 1%. Obviously not looking so good. Gold is down. Ethereum is getting destroyed, obviously. Ethereum is most likely going to come down, guys. I mean, there's no question about that. These candles are ugly. We're most likely going to see sub $1,800 again, maybe sub $1,700 very, very soon. These are our trades at the moment. Yeah, that's our trades at the moment. Looking pretty good, actually. It's not looking... It could be better. It could be better. I'm not gonna lie, it could be better. Let me know if I'm lagging, guys. By the way, I don't know if I'm lagging. I don't know what the hell's going on. Make sure you guys like this live. We're just gonna wait for some news. I think we're gonna get a massive dump very soon. Dash is our biggest winner right now. At the moment, you guys can see that Dash. We're absolutely cooking on the Dash trade, so that's looking pretty darn good. Let's have a look right here. I have a feeling the UAE will respond with time. Wait, it looks like the UAE is going to go back in the war. Oh, by the way, I do want to say something. the Israeli cabinet is sitting right now, and yeah, they're talking, they're discussing something right now. I don't know exactly what it is. I don't exactly know what it is. We could go right here on Times of Israel and see. But I believe that there is something happening right now in Israel. I don't know exactly what or how. Let's see. Earlier during the Israeli cabinet meeting, Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu asked minister not to make a statement about Iran. Nothing is a sensitive period and have nothing to be chosen carefully. Okay, so you guys can see, I mean, shit is going down. I mean, they're not doing cabinet for no fucking reason. You guys know that. There's definitely going to be something. Ethereum is down, Bitcoin's down. Our trades are absolutely, like, they're just cooking right now. You guys can see these are our trades: 35%, 27%, 18%. If you guys are in my VIP, if you guys are in my Discord, I mentioned that if you guys are on my scalp trading signals, I mentioned right here that I would be shorting Dash. I also made a few mentions on shorting Ethereum. Yeah, I made a few mentions on shorting Ethereum and shorting crypto. Shorts are open right here. I told you guys this already. If you guys are interested in joining my Discord right here, this is the VIP. All you have to do is sign up with BYDFi, trade on BYDFi. The link's in the description below to the Discord and BYDFi. You get access to scalp signals, swing signals. Oh, I put it in scalp signals. That's why it's like this. Okay, I see. That's why it's here. Let me just remove this real quick. But yeah, the scalp signals right here are automatically, you guys can see right here, I do drop scalp signals, swing signals, good market analysis if you guys are interested in, you know, free VIP right here. A good Discord, a good trading community. You got some great traders on here, not just me. You got some pretty good, decent traders. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. You get some pretty fat bonuses as well. If you sign up with BYDFi right here, you get up to a $1,000 bonus. So yeah. So make sure you guys sign up right here. The link will be in the description below. And pretty much that's about it. Let's have a look right here. And make sure you guys like this stream. If you guys have not liked this stream, make sure you guys like it. Would really appreciate it if you guys like this stream. I don't care if you guys subscribe. You guys don't have to subscribe. Okay, right here we're getting some more news about 2 minutes ago. Okay, so this is news on I could actually show you guys. I don't know why I'm showing it from my phone. I could show you guys. All right, so this is what's happening right here in the last few minutes. UAE intercepts Iranian missiles as Gulf tension spikes again. The UAE says intercepted 3 Iranian cruise missiles with. Okay, so I don't know why Iran is targeting the UAE. For me, it doesn't really make any sense. They should be targeting either the United States or Israel. I don't know why they're targeting the UAE. It doesn't really make any sense. Multiple flights bound for the UAE diverting to Moscow amid reported attack on the region. Flight radar. Let's have a look right here at flight radar real quick. Is there going to be a NOTAM notice? That's going to be very interesting as well. Iranian state media citing senior military official, Iran has no plan to target the UAE. Okay, and then Ethereum pumps. Okay, this is interesting. This is really interesting right now. The skies are clear in Iran, actually. And I believe there was no NOTAM on Iran. Yeah, there was no NOTAM on Iran. That's so interesting. Yeah, that's very interesting. Okay, but what's more interesting about all this? Let me just drop this on my signal. All right, so who is attacking the UAE exactly? Who is attacking the UAE if Iran says they have no plan to attack? So Iran comes out with a statement saying, you guys can see a lot of our gains have been wiped out, unfortunately, because Iran came out with a statement saying they have no plan to attack the UAE after they launched 3 cruise missiles to the UAE. In my opinion, this is just nothing but manipulation to make money. I don't understand how this makes sense personally. I don't think it makes sense at all. But it does, yeah, to me, to me, this just doesn't make sense. I'm gonna keep my shorts open because I think shit is gonna hit the fan. Um, US has opened passage in a Hormuz for free passage. That is so interesting. Okay, so now they're saying, I'm assuming oil's dumping. Oil is dumping a little bit. You guys can see right here. All right, this is very, very interesting. Whatever is folding right now, unfolding is very interesting. Iran has attempted but failed to interfere by firing commercial shipping, U.S. Admiral says. That is super interesting. Interesting. I don't exactly know what's going on. I'll be honest with you guys. Okay, so there's a lot of action happening right now. Um, I am trading on BYDFi right now. I might close my DAS position just to take profit because there's a lot of uncertainty happening. If you guys are interested in getting a $1,000 bonus, all you have to do is deposit $5,000 on BYDFi. The link's in the description below. Let's have a look right here. So from what I understand, maybe there's not going to need to be a war anymore. Oil is down and Ethereum is back up. Interesting. ETH is back up. Oil is down. Dash is up a little bit. Just a lot of manipulation all over. I mean, you guys cannot deny there's a shit ton of manipulation happening right now. You guys can see, I mean, we're just fluctuating in these positions between $5,000 to minus $5,000. The volatility in crypto right now is beyond insane. I mean, you guys can see this is the 5 minutes. I mean, what is going on right here? Look at that. We have a pump, we have a dump, slight pump, consolidation. We have a freaking dump, a pump, a manipulation, accumulation, a pump, a dump, a pump. There's a lot of shit happening right now that's pretty disgusting in crypto, and pretty freaking dangerous. The S&P 500 is down. The same thing. S&P 500 is doing the same thing. We have a dump, we have a pump. We have a dump, we have a pump. We have a dump, we have a pump. We have a massive dump followed by a massive pump followed by a massive dump. Yeah, it's pretty disgusting if you ask me. Make sure you guys like the stream. If you guys have not liked the stream, would really appreciate it. There's some reports about a minute ago from Telegram. It has not been released yet, but I'm getting reports right here that um I'm getting reports that rockets or missiles have been fired towards Oman, which in my opinion is supposed to be pretty peaceful with Iran. That's really not good. I'm gonna go ahead and keep my shorts open. You guys can see we are up a little bit. Um, yeah, I mean, that's all we're getting right here. And then I'm also getting another thing that I'm also getting reports that the UAE is expecting. I can't show you this because it's on my phone on my Telegram and Signal, but I'm getting reports right here that the UAE is expecting America and Israel to attack Iran within the next 24 hours. Okay, so the UAE doesn't make any statement for no reason. They are expecting that. A few flights have been diverted. Um, I mean, overall, I think the market is due for a correction either way. If we have a look right here at the daily time frame, like if we put the war to the end, right? If we put the war to the for on the side for just a second, okay? We do have this bear flag happening right here. Let me just zoom out real quick. All right, let me just zoom out. We have this bear flag happening right here on Bitcoin. And you guys can see that every time we have these flags, we always almost have a continuation to the downside. Um, this is we're talking about like a week to 2 weeks right here. That Ethereum or Bitcoin took it from like $3,000 to as low as $1,700. And it can't even pump like I don't know like it just can barely pump. What is that like 50%? It can't even pump 50%. So I don't exactly know what's going on right here. But if we have a look right here at Bitcoin, the same thing is happening. Bitcoin is in a bear flag as well. We're most likely gonna see the bear flag seems to be. Listen, it's not the best bear flag. I'm not gonna lie, but it's there. It's not the best one, but it's there. It's still a bear flag. I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh, the bear flag is invalid. The bear flag is actually not invalid whatsoever. The bear flag is there. We saw the same thing happening right here where a lot of people thought that this bear flag was going to be invalid. And we just saw a massive, massive nuke. Now, if we have a look right here, the stochastic RSI, we are also getting near that overbought region, which is obviously, not the best sign. We did have on the trend focus a green dot right here for the first time since October 2nd, 2025. But of course, that was not so great. As you guys can see, that was followed by a massive, massive, massive nuke. So I would not really focus on that. If we have a look right here on the weekly time frame, the weekly time frame does tell a different story, as you guys can see. We're most likely going to come back up and retest 82,000. I think that is the maximum top before coming back down, in my opinion. I don't think we go above $82,500. Let me see what kind of reports I'm getting right here. Um okay, nothing too crazy, obviously. Nothing too crazy. I'm not getting anything too crazy right here, but there's a lot of reports saying that the UAE is expecting Israel and the United States to attack Iran within the next 24 hours. This was reported a few minutes ago. So this is a reliable source. It's not Twitter. It's not anything else. So we're gonna have to see what happens here. And they've also attacked Oman, which is pretty freaking bad in my opinion. You guys can do what you want with that information. These are our current trades, our current shorts right now at the moment. If you guys have not liked the video, make sure you guys like the video. You guys don't need to subscribe, but make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys join the Discord if you guys haven't. The Discord is free. Let me see if I need to verify anyone. The Discord is absolutely for free. So if you guys have not joined the Discord, the link's in the description below as well. We got over thousands of members. I'm going to go ahead and verify you guys right here. If you have not been verified, you could either message on the YouTube channel or DM me privately. But Overall, I need to verify you guys manually. These are the current trades right now at the moment. Looking pretty okay. Make sure you guys like the video. You don't have to subscribe, but make sure you guys like the video. Would really appreciate it. So Cozy, look at that. I don't know if you guys would know who Cozy the color is. I mean, shit is definitely heating up, and it's not gonna be for nothing. I could guarantee you guys this for a fact. He said, don't remember the last time we got this many alerts in Dubai, okay? Flights are getting canceled again. It's not good, guys. Flights are getting canceled. The oil market is getting disrupted again. Everything is just getting disrupted. And it's just not good. It's not good. The dollar's gonna go to shit. The US, okay, this is what Mario says. Okay, I could show you guys this right here because obviously it's more interesting. He says right here, he said it about 20 minutes ago. Okay, I'm not gonna show you. I guess I'm not gonna show because I can't find it. But he says right here, Mara Nufal says, or Nafal, he says the US and Israel have no choice now but to strike Iran. It's not a matter of if, but how extensive. We're gonna have to see what happens here. But I'm keeping my short open. I'm keeping my short open, and I'm just gonna play according to this pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna play according to this pattern right here. Yeah, I think we nuke either way. I think we nuke either way. Whether the war happens or doesn't happen, I think we're just gonna dump either way. Like, this is my honest opinion. Yeah, I mentioned that. Regarding the 82,500. This is 82,500 right here. Not only would it be a break above the bear flag, but it would also be a break above this moving average right here. So I did mention, I do agree with you that if we do break the bear flag, it most likely will go to, I think even $93,000, not 90K. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen. Yeah, personally, I think that's what's gonna happen. One second, guys. I'll be back. Give me a moment.
You say you gotta go, but you're still riding. Kissing your hair, but you don't disappear. We talk in circles like we're scared of the truth. Every goodbye feels like part of a loop. Street lights glow on your tie. Your face we know this anytime. Embrace with the moment, every heart. Too big, too hard, stuck on the same backseat. I don't wanna make it hard. I don't wanna ask for more. But if you feel what I feel while you're standing at the door, staring. Just one more night. If this ends,
Our dash trade is the only one that I guess we got at the top, I guess you could say, or semi-top. A CNN source report claimed U.S.-Israeli strike could take place within the next 24 hours. Trump is probably going to taco on that. The fact that everyone's talking about it, it's most likely not going to happen. Wow, look at that, guys. So there's just a lot of manipulation happening right now in crypto. I don't know if this is true. I don't know if Trump is saying to telling these countries to tell them that. Bahrain declared a state of alert, fearing of a possible attack. Yeah, I mean the war is starting. There's no question. There's no question about that the war is restarting. I mean, can't really do anything about that. It was, you know, it's kind of inevitable. Oil's going up. Oil's going up, guys. Oil's going up. I'm gonna tell you that. Oil's going up. I don't know about the rest of the market, but oil's going up. Oil doesn't lie. Oil does not lie. Make sure you guys like this stream if you guys haven't, just to give you guys an update on crypto, on what's happening worldwide. By the way, if you guys register with BYD5, you could get a pretty nice bonus. So if you deposit $100, you could get 60. If you deposit 500, you get 100, 1,000, 200. If you deposit 5,000, you get $1,000 bonus. And on top of that, you do get access to my VIP right here: scalp signals, swing signals, market analysis, VIP chat. The swing signal guy has been dropping some pretty interesting trades recently. Scalps, I call the scalp shorting dash right here, which has been pretty successful so far on my Discord. So if you get the Discord is absolutely free. We are up 38% on the Discord on the dash trade. Yeah, I should be taking profit realistically. I'm just waiting to see what unfolds in the next 24 hours. And that's just gonna decide for me what to do next. But overall, things should be okay. I'm just gonna keep these shorts open. Let's have a look right here at the 5 minutes. I do want to have a look at the 5 minutes on Bitcoin. I know we have a diamond right here, a green diamond, followed by a hold. We do have a green diamond followed by a hold at the moving average. I want to have a look at the order blocks on the shorter time frame. Let's have a look at the smart money toolkit real quick, see what's going on. Guys, oil is still very, very high, by the way. A lot of people are saying the war's over. Oil is still very freaking high. A massive, massive supply shock is going to happen on oil, and there's literally nothing we can do about it. There's absolutely nothing we can do about it. All right, so these are the order blocks that we have. We do have this is a pretty strong order block right here. This low is a weak low because we made a high. So that's a pretty weak low. Let's have a look on the 15-minute time frame. Order blocks. Right here, we do have a positive change of structure happening at 79,955. Or we're most likely going to clear 78,000. We're probably going to come back down, in my opinion. You guys don't have to subscribe to this live, but make sure you guys smash the like. Make sure you guys smash the like button. I'd really appreciate if you guys can smash the like. This is oil, by the way. If oil clears this order block at 106 to 107, we're going to like 110, 115 in my opinion. Back to our trades real quick. These are our trades, up 45% on Dash. So if you guys are once again on my Discord on the free VIP, you guys can see right here scalp shorting Dash here. And we are up 44% at the moment. %47 on Dash so far. 47%. Our ETH and our Ethereum trades aren't doing so well. %47 on Dash so far. If you guys are on my Discord, you would have been up this much. The Ethereum short that we currently have going on is taking a little bit away from our gains. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm assuming if Ethereum does go down, you could expect our Dash trade to essentially cook even more. My TP for Dash is 44, currently sitting at 47.09. Yeah. All right, let's see right here. It looks like the war is going to restart again. From what I understand from the news I'm getting out of Israel, it looks like the war is going to restart. Yeah, I mean, I'm just going to keep these shorts open. I think Bitcoin is going to come down to at least $77,000. I'm just going to keep these shorts open for now. Oil is up. Like I said, guys, we do have a nice order block on oil at 106 to 107. Next order block would be 108. If this does clear, we're most likely going to go up. And we're most likely going to see the rest of the market nuking, in my opinion. So this is what I think will happen, not financial advice. If you guys are interested in joining the Discord, the link is in the description below. Let me see if I need to verify anyone, because I do. There is times where I need to verify people because the verification is not working. So no one has joined yet, just 19 minutes ago. Wow, oil just doesn't lie, guys. Oil doesn't lie. The market is pumping right now. I'm assuming this is just a scam pump. S&P 500 is down. Bitcoin's obviously easily getting manipulated because it's Bitcoin. But in my opinion, we most likely see oil go to 110, 115. Daily, they say it's bullish. 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes is bullish. The rest is bearish. I don't see how this is true. I think we're going to kill this order block within the next couple of hours. And we're most likely going to see crypto nuking. If you guys have not liked this stream, make sure you guys like this stream. Let's see if any comments right here. No one's really talking. No one's really saying anything. I also live stream, by the way. I don't really know if it's good or bad. It says it's poor. Am I lagging on the vertical stream? I don't know. I don't know if I'm lagging or not on the vertical stream. Flights bound for UAE are now diverting to Oman. Interesting. Let's have a look at the stats on Polymarket. Polymarket's a pretty good market to see what's gonna happen. Let's have a look at Iran right here. The music is kind of distorted. What does that mean? Oh, is it too loud? Is the music too loud? Where's the music right here? This is the music. I know that's not the music. Where's the music right here? Why can't I see it? Here, let me see the music. Let me just listen to it. I'm gonna mute my mic for a second just to see what you guys see. So I'm gonna open YouTube on my
Your touch is danger. Every time you move, I'm getting closer. Kiss me till the night is taking over. Lose me in the heat, don't keep me sober. Don't keep me sober. But when you
Yeah, okay, I see. Let me just put that lower a little bit. Yeah, okay, I understand what I did right here. All right, thanks for telling me that. See, people don't tell me this shit, so I don't know what's good and what's bad. I don't know what the hell's going on. All right, it looks like the nuke is started. Well, I don't know if the nuke, I don't know. I wouldn't say the nuke is starting now, but it looks like we are seeing that correction that I've been talking about to $77,000 at least. I think that's going to happen. Oil is going up, guys. Oil is going up. It looks like we had I think once oil takes this order block right here, I mean, it's all up from here, in my opinion. It's all down. Sorry, for crypto, it's all going to be down from here. This is what I think is going to happen. Oil is going to essentially go up. Bitcoin is going to go down. We know the drill. We know how it works. Just put this a little bit higher. Oh, going back to poly market, I wanted to see if there was going to be anything right here. May 15, no. Iran closed its airspace by May 31st, 67%. May 8th, which is in 4 days from now, 40%. So this thing is up. It looks like this thing is up and running. It's going up, which is actually quite interesting. Let's have a look right here. Let's see what Walter Bloomberg says. Every time he says something, the market goes to shit. Trump says Iran will be blown off if attacks U.S. ships. I mean, we all know Trump is full of shit, right? He's not going to really say anything. Trump is not really going to do anything. Not unless Israel tells him what to do, right? All right, this is all talk because Iran already attacked U.S. ships and Trump is pretending like they didn't. Bahrain declares nationwide state of alert. Okay, so it's slowly moving ahead across the Middle East. It looks like the conflict is once again starting. We're most likely going to see Israel getting involved very soon. You know what they say, the ball never lies. Oil's going up. 106. 106. This is not over, guys. This is not over. Oil is up. 106. Our Dash trade is up 55%. Ethereum is up 10%. Our other Ethereum trade is up 7%. But you know what they say, the ball never lies. Oil 106.20. I called the oil. I called a short on scalp on the VIP right here on Dash, and I did say shorts open on the rest of the market. So looking pretty good so far. So far, it's looking pretty good. Am I lagging though? I don't know. Am I lagging? Make sure you guys like this live. I mean, you guys don't have to, obviously. You guys don't have to really You guys don't have to subscribe. Just make sure you guys like it. Wow, Dash is absolutely printing. I told you guys, as soon as Bitcoin, Ethereum starts to fall down, we would most likely see, you know, Dash and all these cryptocurrencies that we shorted coming back down, and that's exactly what's happening. 62% on Dash. That's a cook right here. That's a cook. Just put this a little bit higher. All Israeli flights to Dubai have officially been suspended until further notice. Very, very interesting.
Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. What would I do without your smart mouth? Driving me in and you kicking me out. You've got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm a young magical mystery, right?
Yeah, I think an attack is most likely going to happen on the weekend. I don't think it's going to happen on a weekday. I know there's a lot of tension happening right now, but we know Trump, he's just not going to do it when the S&P 500 is open. It just doesn't make sense.
You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Cause all of me loves all
Guys, I'll be back. We'll be back shortly. 1 second.